Hi, I'm Julie from Peaceful Place. Wanted to talk about the three main things that prevent people from being able to get organized. Mental ability, physical ability, and time are the three main things. So what I mean by mental ability, very quick, usually it's attention deficit disorder is something that many of our clients have an issue with. And they simply have trouble maintaining the attention long enough to be able to sort through large numbers of items. So it's either that or just the sort of the way their brains are wired. People just can't seem to be able to sort a big, huge pile of stuff into categories. That's what an organizer's superpower is, actually. We can sort things really quickly. 2, physical ability. Even if it's just paperwork, organizing requires schlepping a lot of boxes from a lot of places to one central place, sorting everything out, taking the trash out, putting things in bags, removing it from the house, and a lot of people just aren't up to it physically. Never mind moving furniture around and other things like that. Third thing would be time. We see this a lot with busy working families where they just simply don't have 6 uninterrupted hours on a Saturday to be able to do all of their clothes in one fell swoop, which is really the only way it can be done. So there's time limitations. And as I said in a previous video, with an organizing session with Peaceful Place, we really only need you in the middle of the session, and we can even break the editing blocks up into shorter ones if that works better for you. So those are the 3 main obstacles, and the solution is to hire an organizer and it'll get done.